Hello guys, welcome to again PluseFire Tech. Video is very interesting. In this video show how to download and install Grand Theft Auto V GTA V in your Android device. Let's go start the video. First of all, open your browser and search GameHub. After the searching GameHub, you can see this first website to download the game emulator. After the downloaded emulator and go to your Android device and install the GameHub APK file. I have already installed this, so I back to my home screen and open the GameHub. After open the GameHub, it's take a time for opening. You can see I have already added this game, but I go back and going to how to add the game GTA.v.exe.file on your download GTA V folder. You can see this folder Grand Theft Auto V. Download this game from Fit Gallery Pack. Double click on it. After the double click, this automatically added on your library. After the added in library, you can see the corner on the right side double arrow. Click on it. Just take a time. And going to the setting, game setting, there are some changes to play the game. First of all, game resolution. My device has low specs, so I use 800 multiply 600. That's good for my device. So you have Samsung Galaxy device like Samsung S25 Ultra. You can also play on 720p. And next is again down, and you can see the GPU driver. Open it. I have already default. This is my GPU driver, and you have a Samsung device. You can also select 8 Elliott processor. There are some changing to play the Grand Theft Auto V on maximum FPS. You can also enable controller support. I have already enabled this, and install this component and enable input mapping. After that, go back to your library and go to runtime and download this firewall and update this, and going to download task and download these tasks. Without these tasks, you cannot play Grand Theft Auto V. I have already downloaded and installed it on my GameHub device. So guys, go to your again library, and this time double click on right side arrow. Just take a time and click on the play now button. Start installation, and device has been connected to the virtual controller of gamepad. Let's take a time to run the game. You can see that the game is opening. Let's give 15 FPS, 45 FPS minimum on startup. That is very good FPS for my device because my device have low specs. My CPU usage is going to very high, and sometime my device is going to heat up because this game has very high specs. I cover this photo due to YouTube guidelines. Okay guys, I skip this video. Loading screen. Let's take a time to run the game. This is very easy method to install Grand Theft Auto V in your Android device. And now you can see the game is opening. It's give 15 to 25 FPS at game startup, but my CPU use is going to very high, and also RAM, and my GPU is also going to 15 up utilization. It's give 7 to 18 FPS. It is better than the other emulators. The other emulators only give 2, 3, 4 FPS, but it's give 20 FPS on my lowest device. I skip this video. You have a high specs device like Galaxy, Samsung S25 Ultra, S25 or 4, so your FPS going to 12, 35 and 30, maybe playable game, but my device have low specification, so its FPS is only 15, 16 and 20, but it's working good, and also the graphics also good. I skip this video. You can see sometime my device is going to lag because my CPU usage is very high, and sometime is give very good FPS, and sometime is give only 5 to 10 FPS, but it's playable game. I tested many emulators, but that one emulator, Game Hub, is very great emulator to play Grand Theft Auto V. So please guys, like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative and interesting videos. Okay, bye.